last thing we're doing for the leg is the hip flexor. So if you get up in a kneeling position like this and rest your hand on your hip, and you try to lift your leg off the ground, you're going to feel the hip flexor muscle start to raise up. That's how you know where the hip flexor is. So once you find exactly where it is, we're going to take this, lay it directly on top of the foam roller. The other leg is out to the side. You just slowly roll back and forth until you find the most pressure. As soon as you find where the most pressure is, you're going to pull your toes and squeeze your glute, and that's going to put all that pressure in that hip flexor. Just going to hold this for about 15-20 seconds, and as soon as you feel like the pressure is starting to go away, you're going to roll out, roll back and forth once or twice, and relax. Move over so the other leg is on the hip flexor. Same thing, once you find the most sensitive spot, you're going to pull your toes, squeeze the glute, and now you're driving that hip flexor into the foam roller. As soon as it starts to relieve the pressure, you're going to raise so you can roll out, roll back and forth a little bit, and relax.